Today on Mike Attempts, Mini Cultivator Carb Cleaning. In a previous video, I replaced the rotted fuel lines on this mini cultivator. I should have also cleaned out the carburetor, because now it's not running properly. It starts and idles fine, but when I give it some gas, it bogs down. In hindsight, it makes perfect sense that pieces of the crumbling fuel line would have made it into the carb. Let's see what's in there. With the air filter out of the way, the two screws securing the carburetor can be removed. Two more screws and the throttle assembly slides right out. The pickup line didn't want to come off and got a little chewed up. I'm already seeing some signs of partially dissolved fuel line. If you don't have a rebuild kit, be very careful with the diaphragms. Don't feel like you have to remove the gaskets. The carb can still be cleaned with them attached. This tiny Phillips screw holds the lever, spring, and needle in place. Keep the pieces covered as you loosen the screw so you don't lose anything. I use some Carb Cleaner to spray out all the passages. It's a really good idea to wear safety glasses. You don't want to get this stuff in your eyes. You don't always know which hole the cleaner will be spraying out of, and a lot of times, it's the ones pointing toward your face. The pressure of the spray popped out the filter screen. I think we found the main culprit. The screen has a large blob of goo stuck to it. The ethanol in today's fuel slowly liquefies some types of fuel lines. That goo eventually builds up in the carb, choking off the fuel supply. A toothbrush helps remove the stubborn stuff. The needle looks good. Carb Cleaner is a bit harsh, so I prefer to use rubbing alcohol on the diaphragms. Be careful with them. You don't want to bend any of the little flaps. Time to reassemble. When reinserting the screen, be sure the flat side is facing down. It helps to gently seat it into the hole with something blunt. The rod, lever, and needle go back together like this. The spring stands up in this little hole. The other end will sit against the indentation on the bottom side of the lever. It can be a bit of a pain to get all these tiny pieces lined up. Just take your time and be sure it's all correct. Here you can see the spring contacting the bottom of the lever. I snipped off the tip of the damaged intake line and cleaned up the throttle assembly before putting everything back together. It starts easier, and full power has been restored. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.